Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're gonna be celebrating Chinese New Year's. Chinese New Year was like a few days ago. It landed on a Friday and like everyone was busy, so we couldn't really do anything. Usually people celebrate on the day of, but we couldn't really do that because we were also waiting for like my cousin who go to school in London to come back so that we can celebrate it all together as a family. Before I take you through the day with me, just want to explain what's going on in this video today. It's going to be messy, probably, and it's going to be confusing and you'll be like, what? Why is she doing this? But anyways, yeah. So today's Chinese New Year's, well, we're celebrating it today. I'm gonna do a get ready with me. I'm gonna glam up. I'm gonna try to glam up, so it's not gonna be like a makeup tutorial or anything, but I'm just gonna do like my makeup with you guys. And if I look different from what I look right now, I'm sorry, I'm about to catfish you. To add a little more to the video, I was thinking of doing speaking a different language for the whole day video kind of thing. And since it's Chinese New Year, I wanted to do Chinese, like speaking full Chinese, but then like my Chinese isn't that good. So right now I don't have the confidence for it. So maybe in the future, when I build confidence, then I'll do that. But for today, we are going to speaking only Patois. And like, yeah, we're gonna be doing that. So let's get ready for this thing, because I need to make food too. I need to help cook. But yeah, I'm gonna wash up. It's a long ass intro, I know. It's been 3 minutes. I'm gonna cut shit out, but let's do this. All right, I'm just done washing up my face, brushing my teeth, So now we're gonna start. So today, right now, we're gonna do my makeup. It's not a tutorial. I'm not no makeup guru. But yeah, here we go. So, first things first, moisturizer. Moisturize your face first. I don't really know anything. I just follow people on the internet. Then that's how I learned to do my makeup. Half the time I don't know what like different products do to your face, like skincare stuff. All right, moisturizer is done. I barely do makeup, but when I do, I take forever. My foundation is the Estee Lauder. I don't know what's this. I just buy products. remember this girl who left me.
I snapped you. Do you see my snaps?
No, I was filming. I saw the notif.
I was just at Leo's going to see my son. Oh, is this where you got the pomomo?
Let's contour this big ass forehead. I just forgot. It was supposed to be in a patois. This shit, you see me. Alright, we're gonna begin now, officially. Sharon, my friend, taught me how to do my eyeliner last night. So,
What she see? You draw it from the front?
oh shit. I just blinked. Alright, this side. This is the look. Now that I also I'm gonna wear no shoes. Now we'll go upstairs and we'll go cook. Someone poke me.
But I look so short in
Alright. So this is the look. Alright, come. Alright, right now we are gonna make what call it in English?
nice squishy thing.
It's like a mochi. I mean, like a mochi kind of like.
I think you should
squishy
try
with
it.
Alright, we're gonna make tong yuen in Chinese. That's in Canto. In Hakka, it's like tong yan. Alright, so first we're gonna toast this honey frying pan and the sesame seeds.
Okay.
How much water am I going to use right now? Use 1 pack first, and then we'll see. Alright, so this is glutinous rice flour. Is what we use to make. How are we doing?
No, look at yourself. Look at it. So hot. That's so hot.
Look it in. Yeah, try to see if it's a feeling here.
Oh, I feel so good, baby. Give me one more.
Oh my god. Don't feel it.
So see here, this is what we eat during Chinese New Year. How is it?
shoulder and
It's so big.
Like Fisherman Clubhouse at home.
One baht.
Roll on!
wow, that's huge.
That's big, right?
Michelle.
How many shall take them?
Michelle Lam.
Same one, payment. Oh, you
You have it. Oh, this is pretty cool.
My lipstick is gone.
From where?
Jerry knows somebody who.
Okay, right now we're just prepping. So we're at one chef in our kitchen and like one nice restaurant named Patois for the downtown Toronto. They're on Dundas Street West. And if you're ever downtown, go check it out, make sure. And if you want to try out the food, so basically they make like, it's basically Caribbean food meets with Asian food, specifically Chinese food kind of. And definitely visit them. Try out their food. Definitely try out their jerk chicken. It's so good. Like we tried before. It's good. So yeah, that's all of the information I can give you now. You put more information in the description below about them. I'll put like their Instagram down below so you can check them out. But right now, because you know COVID and stuff, they all can do take out. I don't know what will happen when a place open up again. So yeah. Milo, say hi. Welcome to my vlog. Like for my YouTube channel. Look at the lobster.
Oh, you can see the sausages.
Hi, Uncle Jamie.
Hey.
Yummy.
Oh wow, the last round? Nice.
We're gonna steam a couple.
Those look good.
They actually.
Why do you put it in ice water?
To chill it, and it takes away the harsh flavor. So it makes it sweeter.
Really?
Yeah, it takes away like the real harshness of the onion. And then when you rinse it like this, it gets like crispy.
Where's this about?
Every day you learn something.
That's the shade.
Almost stop this.
Plug it in. Plug it in, area, and then that would be the first thing. Then you press the button. Start chow without it.
Huh?
Start chow without the heat.
So trying to go.
Okay, I'll be your sushi. Without the soup.
So him answer.
Yeah, so you can't get the coffee.
So first, we're gonna make it hot heat up first.
Okay,
Because I added it. There's so much. We got mushrooms, snap peas, chives, what else? Chicken gizzard over there, so, and oh yeah, we have shrimp in there.
How much you want? This no?
Yeah, just think.
We have shrimp here.
Yes, we'll go fry it.
Say hi to Liam. Let's see her TikTok dance. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go back.
I can't do it. I can't.
Bam, bam, bam.
I feel so out of character doing it.
What do you go over? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. Done.
You have enough fork?
Yeah. All right. My dinner time.
Eat today.
Happy New Year, everyone. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. All right, we get the food. Yeah. Look on the lobster head here. All that goody in there. Just slurp it up. We would have like a big party because we can't know, so we just have to do it between like, we like the circle, you know. What you want? Come on. You can't. Stuffed. Anyways, this is the end.
Yeah, put in something small so it looks like it's more.
Need to clean up. I'm fully
Ooh, my
fed.
diversity council club.
Up on my belly.
What? What's that? My diversity council.
That's it for the vlog. Happy New Year's once again. I know it's a bit late. By the time I edit this, it's probably gonna be like long gone New Year's. But yeah. Right now, I'm going to go to Shoppers, get makeup wipes because I need to take this shit off.
Not makeup wipes, bad
I
for
mean-
the environment.
Makeup remover. So yeah, that's it for the vlog. Lighting, bad lighting. Please like and subscribe. And I'll be back with more videos. Bye.